So.
Wait. Oh, Flip is videoing. Okay, guys, yes, I'm Sam Sheldrake here, guys. We've got the machine here. My brother's doing it, and he's got a YouTube channel called Sam55 Epic Gamer Go. Guys, let's go. So we tried to set up loads of two accounts, but his names were Gmail accounts. So we've got the Hue Flight here. It's called a Hue Flight, and it's a hairdryer. So hold it on. So and then you've got a timer here. Do you hear it?
Yeah, it's good.
Just hold it. I'll just get it. So you've got the timer here for an hour. Got the buttons here. Off. It's off at the moment. On. Full power and just a bit. And then you've got the temperature. So put it down to quite cool. And then you can turn it down to quite hot. So just turn that away. There you go. So we're going to go in it now. So put it on the full power. Okay, so we'll just go in it now. Have you got it on record still? Good. I'll keep it on record. It goes beep when you unrecord it. So when you stop it. So beep. That was you. So we've got the hairdryer. I like when you take your t-shirt off. Tell me what to say. So got the hairdryer. I thought I had a pen in here.
No, I took it out. It's there, it's there. It's down there, Sam.
Oh!
Whoa, I fell out.
Well, then I can actually. Tell me what to say, and don't tell me what to do. Please do not tell me to. So yeah, this is the hairdryer. Fun fact time. This does get very hot, and you go, oh my god, this is so hot. Just got it on record. Good. You don't. I'll do it myself. No. So yeah.
The computer put it outside.
So yeah, we got the hairdryer here. We're going inside now. Ready, dada. You can see my hair's going up a bit. Oh my god, this is so nice. And so guys, yeah. Please follow me on Instagram and stuff. Oh my god. We're flipping serious about this. It's getting really hot now. You might be able to feel it. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? No, you don't. So we're going to come out now. Oh my god, that hair. Guys, now look at my hair.
Could you come for breakfast?
Yes.
Thank you, darling. Well, you can come and sit with us. Yeah. You've got to go a long time before you have some lunch. I thought that what we could do is you could